In this video, I'll be showing you how to repost on TikTok. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's actually super simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on anything you're using TikTok on, whether you're on iPhone, Android, Samsung, or anything like that. So all you want to do is go ahead and open up TikTok, and then you're going to see your For You page right here. And you can scroll through, find whatever you want. Let's say you want to repost so that your followers or anything like that or your friends can go ahead and see it. So all you want to go ahead and do is on the bottom right, you're going to see this little arrow icon, which is right under bookmarks. Go ahead and click on that. Now at this stage, all I want to go ahead and do is press this repost icon. Now, as you can see on the bottom left, it now says you reposted. And as you can see, it shows exactly what I have. And if I want to go ahead and remove it, just click on that repost icon, and I'm going to see reply, or I'm also going to see remove. So I can just go ahead and press remove, and it's going to say delete repost. Now I've deleted it, and now it's not reposted. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe, and check out other tutorials as well.